My name's Chris Pritchard and I am the owner of the school, Pritchards Martial Arts here in Caernarfon. For the younger kids, which we call our little dragons, is a special karate program which works on balance and coordination for 4 to 6-year-olds. Then we have our junior achievement program, which is a karate for 7-year-olds up to the age of 14. We have our adult and teen karate class. We also teach kickboxing for adults and teens, and also the style of Gracie Jitsu, obviously made famous by the Gracie family. When they come here, they can expect a range of things where we focus on character building and education and development, where there's much more than just punching and kicking, where we focus on life skills.
It helps a lot with their self-confidence to come and do something like this and to go up through the different grades. His teachers have seen a difference in his concentration in school. He's working better and able to listen better as well.
They listen to us more and they're just more rounded children.
The same with adults, exactly the same benefits again, but we also put in functional fitness training, so we work on fitness with the adults as well. We have grown tremendously over the past 10 years. We started off as a really small school, which last month we actually did hit the #1 UK school spot. Long-term goal is to remain #1 and to help as many people, as many children as we can in our communities across North Wales. We do have sister schools to us as well. We have a school in Llanfairfecahan, we have a school in Talysarn, which covers the Talysarn Penygroes area, and also we have a school in Porthmadog. The website is www.cpmaa.co.uk, or you can find us on Facebook, Pritchards Martial Arts.